How to create automations in Monday.com. So, first is open your web browser. Simply go to Monday.com and then wait for it to load and sign in with your account. Once you have done that, you may now go to the board that you want to add the automation. And then right here, what you're going to do is to click on Automate right here, found on the upper right. Click on Automate and you may choose the categories that you want. So you may choose Basic, Featured, Notifications, and many more. Let's say, for example, that I want to choose this one. Simply click on Use Template, and then, as you can see, there are the commands displayed. When an item is created, this will be the effect. So then assign creator as, and then you may choose the column that you want. You may also add a new column right here. You may search it, or you may create one as well. Once you have done that, you may also click on the plus button if you want to add more animation or automation, or delete the automation if you don't want it. Click on create automation once you're done, and then that's it. That's how you can create automations in Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.